Hello everyone, myself Arnav Jyoti Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Radiology, Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about what is radiology actually. Most of the people, they have a confusion that what is radiology, what is radiologist, and what is radiographer. So there will be a confusion. So most of the people, and what are the topics or what are the things involved in radiology. Okay, so let us start. Actually radiology is divided into three parts. Suppose radiology, uh, uh, firstly I am going to talk about radiology. It's a branch of medical imaging or medical science which deals with the machines or the treatment. With the help of that machines, we are treating the disease or we will diagnose the disease. Okay, so what is radiology? Radiology, it is divided into three parts. Number one, it is diagnostic radiology. Secondly, it's called interventional radiology. And thirdly, it's called therapeutic radiology. Therapeutic means it is usually used for treatment of cancer. Okay, so that's why it's called the treatment of disease or the diagnosis of disease. Okay, so in treatment, firstly we are going to discuss about the therapeutic radiology. What is therapeutic radiology? There are so many parts, so many machines are there. Firstly, suppose alpha radiation, that is alpha rays. We are using alpha rays. Then beta rays, then we are using the gamma rays. These are some modalities by which we can treat the patients, basically for cancer patient. Okay, and secondly, what is diagnostic radiology? In diagnostic radiology, we are using some x-rays, then CT scan, then ultrasound, then MRI. These are some diagnostic radiology. Then fluoroscopy also, this is the parts of diagnostic radiology. In diagnostic radiology, there are neuroradiology. There are some division are there. These are, firstly, suppose neuroradiology. What is neuroradiology? What is neuroradiology? Neuroradiology, it deals with the nervous system of the body. Remember one thing, radiology, it deals the entire body of the human being. Sometimes some people are thought like that radio means it's something like a tape recorder, that radio. It's not like that. Okay, it's the medical branch. Secondly, then there will be pediatric radiology, which deals with the children. Sometimes they have some disease. For treating them, there we are using pediatric radiology. Okay, then breast imaging or breast radiology. Breast imaging, remember one thing, either this radiology also, it's called the medical imaging. Okay, then cardiovascular radiology. Cardiovascular means we deals with cardiac system, that means heart. Okay, cardiovascular radiology. Then again, chest radiology. Chest means it your lungs, mediastinum, these are some parts inside the body, including your brain, including your chest area. That is called chest radiography or chest radiology. Then come to gastrointestinal radiology. Gastrointestinal radiology, that is your stomach to your anal canal. That means you're regarding your stomach, small intestines, large intestine, that is your gastrointestinal radiology. Then come to musculoskeletal radiology. Musculoskeletal radiology, it deals with your muscles of your body, that's why it's called musculoskeletal radiology. Again, one is there, that is called emergency radiology. Emergency means any emergency cases. Suppose you have some trauma, that is called emergency radiology. Okay, these are the some diagnostic parts. Again, it's come to second part is interventional radiology. So in interventional radiology, most of the people, they have one confusion that interventional, inter means inside, ventional means through veins. Okay, so interventional radiology, sometimes some people, they have one confusion that it's an surgical types of radiology, or what, they did some surgical things or what. Actually, it's not like that. For it's a non-surgical procedure. Non-surgical, we are not doing any surgical procedures. Okay, so in interventional radiology, there will be your angiography. Angiography is, there is one procedures by angiography we can do through your x-ray, through CT, through MR, any kinds of machine. By using this, we can do angiography. That means we are study about the vessels, blood vessels, artery, veins, everything. Okay, then secondly, biopsy. For this biopsy procedure, for this, some people, they have thought that biopsy only done by surgery people, so it's a surgical procedures. Actually, it's not like that. Sometimes some cases are be there that suppose you have some cancer cells, it's actually biopsy will confirm that it's cancerous or benign. Benign means non-cancerous. Okay, so for confirming that, we are doing these procedures. It will be either ultrasound biopsy or CT biopsy, MR biopsy, various types of biopsy will be there. Okay, then will be cardiac catheterization. Catheterization, that means by incision of catheter will remove the blockage of the cardiac part. That means in heart, sometimes some blockage will be there. For removing that blockage, we are using some catheter. Catheter means some your, it's like your long, your long, that means what is called long, it will be something like long, your this one thread like structure. Okay, so next will be your angioplasty. Angioplasty is something like that. Suppose this is your blood vessels, some blockage will be there, and it should be removed. It will be cut there, and some portion will be attached here. By these procedures, we can attach the angioplasty, we can use the angioplasty. Okay, then it will be stents. Some cardiac stents will be there, so that blood vessels can be continuous, so that we can use the stents. Then laser treatment of the varicose vein. Some laser treatment we are doing, that is laser treatment of the varicose vein. And the last one is the fluid abscess. In fluid abscess, we are doing suppose some fluids are absorbed in your body, that fluid should be removed by these procedures. That is your interventional radiology. Okay, so that much of everything of this radiology, and there are parts. Okay, so thank you.